Out of total number of employees, companies P, Q, R, S, T, 5 companies, total number of employees, percentage of science graduates, commerce graduates, arts graduates. Okay. Now, you can fill this, right? Because there will be only 3 categories, science, commerce, and arts. Matladru. Arts and commerce together already 58 is represented. Then remaining 42 should be there. Am I right? Like that, you can also fill this. You can also fill this for S, for T also. For R, can we fill it? For R, there are 2 values incomplete. So sum of those 2 is 66%. That's what we can derive, not more than anything. Am I right? Right. Now let's see. What was the difference between number of commerce graduate employees and arts graduate employees in company Q? Total how much we have? Total how much we have? 1200, right? And you are asked to calculate difference of science and commerce. Commerce and arts, huh? Okay. So for science and commerce together 78% is there. Remaining 22% will be in arts group. Correct? Now difference of 45% and 22%? 23%. Of which number? 23 is prime number. 1200 is 3 multiple. Answer should be only 3 multiple. Am I right? How many 3 multiples are there? Is first option 3 multiple? That is 9 multiple, not 3 multiple. Me bundo. 23% of 1200. This is prime number. There is no 3 multiple here. This is only 3 multiple. When you have left hand side only 3 multiple, can your answer in right hand side be 9 multiple? It should be only 3 multiple, right? First option is 9 multiple. Upper limit adi. Ardhamainda? Ardhamainda kaleda? Right. Can it be your answer? Second one? Third one? It can be your answer, hold it. Fourth option? Fifth option? Yes. Now verify last digit. 23% of which number? 1% is 12. 23% into 23% of 1200 in the sense 23 into 12. Am I right? 23 is ending with 3. 12 is ending with 2. 3 into 2 ends with. The average number of science graduate employees and commerce graduate employees in company T was 308. What was the total number of employees in company T? Right. Average is 308. Average of what? Science and commerce employees. Now, science and commerce together. Science and commerce together. Just a minute. If I want to calculate sum of students studying science graduate and commerce graduate, out of total I can subtract 30 so that I will get remaining both. Out of 100%, if 30% are arts graduates, remaining 70% are science and commerce. Am I right? So, science and commerce together graduates are 70%. That is sum. But average is given as 308. Then sum becomes 600 and which is 11 multiple. But left hand side 70% of X. 70% of total number of employees in company T are X. So left hand side you don't have 11 multiple, but right hand side you have 11 multiple. Then total number of employees, X must be 11 multiple. Yes or no? How many 11 multiples are there? Is your first option 11 multiple? That is the only 11 multiple available? Right, final answer. Remaining are not 11 multiples. Followed. If the respective ratio between number of science graduate employees and art graduate employees in R was 7:4, what was the number of arts graduate employees in company R? Company R. Now, in company R, science and arts together is 66%. Come on. 66% of which number? Come on. So, 66% of 950. If you calculate this, you'll get some number, and that is sum of science graduates and arts graduates, and they are in the ratio 7:4. So 7 parts and 4 parts total. So 11 parts is equal to 66% of 950. How many parts do we need to calculate? Arts graduates are 4 parts only. So 4 parts is equal to how much? This is what we need to calculate. Correct? Yes. Now 11 how many times? 4 6 times? Come on. 24% of. This is your answer. This is only 3 multiple. This is not 3 multiple. So answer should be only 3 multiple. Matladru. How many such options are there? Is your first option 3 multiple? That is 9 multiple. Answer has to be only 3 multiple. Because 24% of 950 you will have only 3 multiple. It cannot be 9 multiple. Correct? So first option is 9 multiple. That cannot be your answer. Second option is that 3 multiple. That can be your answer. Third option? Fourth option? Fifth option? I pin. Total number of employees in company yes was 3 times the total number of employees in company P. The difference between number of arts graduate employees in P and that of yes was 240. What was the total number of employees in company P? In company yes, employees are 3 times of company P. Correct? Now, in company P, let's say if you have company P. In company P, if you have 100%, yes will have 300%. Now you are given difference. Am I right? In company yes, arts graduates are in company yes. Difference of what? Difference of what? Arts hai na? Difference of arts hai na? Now in company yes, arts graduate employees are 20%. Because other 2 components together gives you 80%, remaining is only 20%. Am I right? Now 20% of 300, how much is that? How much? 60. And in company P, arts graduates are 30% of 100%. That is 30. One is 60, the other is 30. Difference? 30% is the difference, and that is given as? Come on. If 30% is 240, 10% is 80. 100% is 800. Total number of employees in Q increased by 10% from March 2011 to March 2012. If 30% of total number of employees in Q in March 2012 were science graduates, what was the number of science graduate employees in company Q in March 2012? Kadu, kadu, avachu, kadu, kadu. Third option answer. From 2011 March to 2012 March, value increased by what percent? Then it becomes 110%. Now out of 110%, 30% are 30% are science graduates. And your question is also to calculate science graduates. 30% of 110% is 33%. 33% should be 11 multiple and 3 multiple. Is your first option 11 multiple? Second option? Third option? Fourth option? Fifth option? This is final answer. 30% of 110% of some number. I don't want to calculate that number. I don't want to waste my time. 30% of 110% of some number should be 3 multiple and 11 multiple. Third option is the only 11 multiple that you have. Anybody, any doubt? Sure? Yes sir? Doubt unda?